Today we will be doing a Zend Profitz review and demo walkthrough. Zend Profitz is the world's first fully automated software app that gets you leads in any niche for free. You can use Zend Profitz to send traffic to any link or offer with just a single click. It uses a powerful conversion loophole to make you $21 per click with no hard work required. Here's an example of the type of daily profits we are making with Zend Profitz. When you activate the Zend Profitz app, it doesn't take long for the money to start coming in. Imagine how much money you can make when you use Zend Profitz to send traffic to one of your offers. If you get Zend Profitz today, you'll get everything you need to receive unlimited free traffic in a short space of time. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Zend Profitz review and demo walkthrough.
Hey guys, welcome to Zend Profitz demo video. Zend Profitz is actually a revolutionary app that gets you targeted leads in any niche for free in just a click of a button, and it then leverages a profit boosting loophole to send a tidal wave of traffic to any link of your choice. Now trust me, we have been able to harness the power of advertorials and you've never seen them before. Now these are landing pages that really convert well for any type of product you're selling, and until now someone would have to click the link in their email to be taken to the landing page with the advertorial. But right now we figured out a loophole that enables our app to automatically insert the advertorial right into any email you send out. So this means you're getting more traffic to any offer, and which means more people taking action and making us money. So let me show you how this software works in simple steps. So I'm going to log into my account now. Okay, so now once you log into Zend Profitz, you have access to the dashboard. As you can see, the email sent, the list, the subscribers, the campaigns, and on the menu we have the build audience, we have the create campaigns, we have the done for you campaigns, we have the support, the offers, and the trainings. So the first thing we need to do is to go to build audience, because you need to build a list. Zend Profitz allow you to send out mass email to targeted leads and drive thousands of traffic to your offers using advertorials live inside email. So I'm going to click on build audience and click on grab leads. So once you click on grab leads, it's going to take you to this page called lead grabber. So you click here to download lead grabber. So once you download lead grabber, all you have to do is just to install it on your Google Chrome browser. The next thing is to follow the instructions here. So in order to grab leads, I'm just going to enter a keyword. So depending on the niche you want to target or you want to make money from, if it's make money, if it's biz up, if it's weight loss, just type in the keyword there. So here I'm just going to type make money online, as you can see. Then you select where you want to grab those leads from. The website leads, Facebook leads, Instagram leads, Google search, Yahoo search, or Bing search. So whichever one you want to use, so just click on it. So this software allows you to grab leads from so many places like Facebook, Instagram, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and even website leads. So I'm going to select website leads, and the next thing you click on search for leads. Okay, so once you click on search for leads, automatically it's going to open that place, and you click on scrap emails. So you're going to have this, and the next thing you need to do is just to click on the start button to start grabbing those leads for you on complete autopilot. Okay, can you see? So currently we have 54 leads being generated here so far. So, and as soon as you're done with the number of leads that you want, maybe you want to generate 100 leads, 200 leads, 1000 leads, or 5000 leads. As you can see now, we have over 56 leads grabbed, so we can download these leads. All you need to do is just to click on the stop button to stop grabbing leads, and once you click on the stop button, then you can hit the download leads, and automatically it's going to download the leads into your system. So you can open it to see how the leads look like. So you can see download the leads into your system. So once the leads have been downloaded, the next thing we need to do is now to set up our lists so that we can upload our leads there. So you come to this place and you click on create new list. You see, so once you click on create new list, then you give your list a name. memo, email. You see that default name, subject, you can leave that as blank. Your company name, you see the state, just put everything there. Select your country, zip code, phone number, so your email address again. I'm going to put this. So once you're done, now subscription, do you want to send subscription confirmation email? You turn this off. So send a final welcome email. You can turn this off as well. A subscription, you can turn it on or leave it. Once you're done, just hit on the save button. And that's how to create our list. As you can see, right now we have our list here, MMO. So the next thing we need to do is to import our subscribers. So in order to do that, you just have to come here and click on import. So click on import. You can download this sample CSV to see how to arrange your leads in CSV format, because that's the only acceptable format for our app. So I'm just going to upload the leads here. You see, I've already arranged it here. So I'll select this, open, and then import. And in just a few seconds, our leads will be imported. And as you can see, import complete. So just click on OK, and you see the total number of leads that was imported. Can you see 50 or 50 subscribers was imported? So we're good to go. So once you're done grabbing your leads and importing them into your list, which you've created, so you can have as many lists as possible. I have list on weight loss, I have list on make money, I have list on hair loss, I have list on so many things. So you can create different lists for different targeted niche. So now the next thing is to create our campaigns. Now remember that there are done for you campaigns that have been created for you depending on your account level or upgrade that you purchase. If you purchase the FE, you have access to 5 done for you advertorials emails. As you can see here, we have weight loss. Can you see? We have MMO, we have investments, we have Bitcoin, we have MMO, we have AdSense style of monetization. So we have done for you emails here, and a lot of them, depending on the upgrade, some will have as much as 20 done for you advertorial emails. So the next thing now is to create your campaign. So click on create campaign and click on campaigns. For automation is for people that purchase the automation upgrade. So I'm going to click on campaigns, and then you click on create campaign. So once you click on create campaign, you have 2 options. To make use of the advertorial emails, you make use of this regular campaign and not plain text. So you choose regular, and then you select the list that you want to send your advertorial emails to. So here you're going to make use of the MMO, and then you click on save and next. Here you can segment your list as well, so there's no need for that. Just click on save and next. So then you give your campaign a name. So here maybe you're promoting whatever product you're promoting should be the name of the campaign, or something that you can easily remember so you know what that campaign is for. Then you have to give your campaign name. In this case, I'm just going to look at the offers that I want to promote. Like I said, we have done for you offers here. So you can see we have done for you offers here that you can just pick one that you want to promote. So let's say I want to promote this weight loss for idiots. So I'm going to actually click here to get my affiliate link. So the campaign name can be weight loss, or whatever name you want to give it. Then the email subject. You see that? So then the sender name, email, you put it there, and the reply to email. So once you're done with that, so if you want to track the open rate, the clicks and all that, and if you want to use your own custom domain, no need. So just click on save and next. So now it brings you to this page where you have to select how you want to write your content. So for you to make use of the done for you advertorials email, just come to customize a template. So you select customize a template and it's going to bring out those done for you advertorials email. As you can see, there are different types of advertorials emails here. So you can pick any one you want to use. In this case, I'm just going to pick the weight loss since I'm promoting the weight loss products. Then, okay, Email Builder Pro. So we have our advertorial emails ready to monetize. You can edit. You can see you can edit. You can change colors. You can do anything you want to do with it. You see, it's so easy to use. You can change image. You can see you can replace image. You can hyperlink. All these hyperlink, you can edit them. So like I said, you can hyperlink. As you can see, you can change the links here and replace it with your affiliate links that you get from this offer. So that there are a lot of done for you offers that you can promote with all these advertorials email. And once you're done editing and making those, adding your affiliate link to the advertorial emails, the next thing you want to do is just to click on save and close so that you can send out the advertorial email. So as you can see, your email is there. You can preview it if you want. The next thing to do is just to click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, then you set the time you want to send out this. So you can select the calendar here, as you can see. So you select the date and time. So once you set the date, you set the time as well. And then you click on save and next in order to send your advertorials email out, and in few seconds you start generating tons of targeted traffic and sales to your affiliate offers or any links you insert inside the advertorial emails. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching this Zend Profitz review and demo walkthrough video. To find out more about Zend Profitz, click the link in the description below.